a bucket of orangish, reddish, pinkish buttercream, a bucket of orangish buttercream, a bucket of yellow buttercream, and look!
A bucket of Crumb Boss!
A bucket of Crumb Boss! A red-headed buttercream!
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Hello, Crumb Boss!
Hey!
Look at all these buckets!
Yeah, we got buckets of buckets.
Buckets and buckets of buttercream.
I'm loading my bags with buttercream.
What are you going to make, Crumb Boss?
I am going to make, quite possibly, one of the most popular, sought-after desserts for Thanksgiving here at Crumb Boss Factory, Woodland Bakery, Chatham, New Jersey.
Do you ship to Saudi Arabia?
We do.
Yeah. And then I get the phone call. Somebody ordered a cake, Stephanie. What am I supposed to do? You should see the emails and the panic. If I say, hey, Gretchen, can we do this? And I'll write one line, and I'll get an 8-paragraph, life-threatening.
You can't do it.
Yeah, life-threatening. You out of your mind, you big jerk. You know.
All right. Here we go. I have, might look like I'm going to make some roses here today with all these colors, but I'm not. I'm going to show you how to do some ruffly designs today with the petal tip, the rose petal tip, which is a number...
Oh, you got to hold it still. People can't see as fast as you move your hands. Okay, got it.
This is the same tip that we use to make flowers, all right?
Good.
So I've got yellow, orange, and red in my bags. And what I have here is a, this is actually the same cake that we showed you guys for Father's Day. Do you remember the hazelnut tort? It's a 7-layer.
Yeah, but also wasn't it the basket of flowers?
Basket of flowers,
See?
yes.
Episode 67.
This cake is so good. We did have a request on how to make this actual cake. So it's hazelnut cake, chocolate cake layers, hazelnut buttercream, and chocolate fudge.
We're not going to make it now, though.
No, we're not going to make it now, but I am using this cake to show you how to make a turkey cake. This is really one of the cutest things that we do for Thanksgiving. So here is my secret fudge recipe that I cannot share with you all.
Exactly, Sharon. Sure.
Not so much that it's secret, like I explained to so many of you.
Explain on and on. Everybody keeps saying, what's in the fudge, what's in the fudge.
It's just
it's like what's in the crumb bud. You're just not going to get it.
You're not, because you can't buy the ingredients that I use to make this recipe, so I can't bother really to share with you something that you're never going to be able to buy. So what's the point, you know? And I don't really have a comparable recipe, so you're on your own with fudge, everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
So I've gone ahead and iced my 7-layer fudge cake. Well, no, it's a hazelnut cake.
Yes.
All right.
Looks like a loaf of chocolate.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a loaf of chocolate.
You're using your spatula.
Yeah, wait till you see this.
This is going to be cool. This is
really
Crumb Boss Raw. Go ahead.
I have to get my board.
Here, she puts it on the
So
golden
let's
board.
transfer it right over
This is
to
the
the
golden
board.
circle board.
That's right.
Okay. She transferred it down, and basically what she's going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is that she's going to take the buttercream right here, and then what's in the pastry bags, and she's going to decorate the entire cake like maybe a turkey.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, first I'm going to take my fudge in a bag and pipe a border.
Okay, it's 75 miles an hour. Boom, 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 boom. How many of these cakes you blow out of here?
Oh, we do a lot of these. This is really a popular cake. It is so cute.
Uh-huh.
All right, so what I'm going to do...
Uh-huh.
Where's my yellow? Yes, there's yellow. What we're going to do is we're just going to make like a little ruffly thing here. See how I'm doing that?
Oh, cool.
Because that is where Mr. Turkey Face goes. Right?
Holy crap! You guys are seeing this. I've never seen this before. She's making the turkey cake.
I'm just kind of doing like a little up and down.
Right now, he looks like the Lion King. It's hysterical. No, if you saw this in the camera, he looks like the Lion King. This is cool.
All right, but we're gonna do the same thing to make some.
Okay.
To make some feathers for his wings over here, one side.
Oh, cool.
That's why, I mean, I did the 3 colors. You guys don't have to do the 3 colors, but we've got these colors on hand all the time for Thanksgiving, so.
Oh, cute.
Looks like his little feathers, right?
Oh, that's really cute.
And
yeah,
then we
look at
have
him.
this one in the back for his tail.
Oh, that's cute. That's really cool.
What I have to do.
And what do you do to fit his tail on?
I just want to do this to keep it up.
Okay, so you do that to keep it
so
up.
there's his tail.
There's his tail. That's really cute.
And do a little extra fudge piping on the top.
More fudge. Oh, this is a cool cake.
Now here's the thing. Oh, where do I get his face? I buy this kit because we do so many of them that I can buy a turkey face and tail feathers kit to make my turkey cake.
Yeah.
You guys can make this out of royal icing, and if you watch the royal icing video that I'm going to do next, you're going to see that we're going to use royal icing to decorate gingerbread men. We're going to build a gingerbread house.
Okay.
We can use the royal icing to make faces like this.
Okay.
So you can make your own.
That's really cute.
Or just search online, and you may be able to buy the same stuff that I'm buying. I'm telling you, there's so much stuff available online.
Yeah, Yeah, so now what are you going to do? Oh, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving pic
This is
there.
really cute. Look at them. That's
Maybe
really cute. Put some leaves on them.
Sprinkle them with some...
We have a lot of leaves down on the ground in New Jersey, along with tree limbs and things. 2 weeks ago on a Saturday night, it was like it was unbelievable.
It was like a war zone in New Jersey.
It was unbelievable.
So here you have it. This is our Thanksgiving turkey cake, 7-layer hazelnut turkey cake for Thanksgiving.
Nice. Happy
Crumb Boss
Thanksgiving,
Factory.
everybody. Crumb Boss, what do you have to say to everybody?
Gobble, gobble.